everyone, my name is Zahra Berliana Sakin. I'm from 10-6. I will tell a story entitled Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. He lives with his father, stepmother, and two half-sisters. Her two stepsisters really hate their stepfather because when their stepfather wanted to marry their mother, they promised to be fair and give the same love to Cinderella and her two stepchildren. Cinderella two stepsisters planning something to get rid of her stepfather. When the stepfather told the stepchildren to make food, they wanted to do it even though usually they really didn't know when to be told by their stepfather. But this time they wanted to because they planned to poison the food and kill their stepfather. After he finished making the meal, his stepsister ate it and said, "Huh, what kind of food is this not so delicious?" After he finished saying that, his stepfather suddenly became short of breath and fainted, and turned out that Cinderella's father died. Cinderella was angry, sad because her father was killed by two stepsisters, but the two half-sisters did not admit their mistake. Cinderella approached her stepmother. Then she spoke to her stepmother. "I am disappointed with my stepsister because they have made in my father die. I want them to leave the house." But her stepmother could not bear to send her two children away. But on the other hand, she also felt sad about losing her husband. It turns out that Cinderella's father intended to match Cinderella with a handsome prince. But her father was poisoned by his two stepsons. Fortunately, her father spoke about to his wife, until finally there was an invitation letter from the prince to Cinderella. Cinderella was very happy to get this news. Then her half-sister turned out to be jealous because the only people invited were Cinderella and her mother. In the end, the two half-sisters planned something so that Cinderella would not come to Prince's invitation. Her two stepsisters burned Cinderella's beautiful dress, which she would use to enter the prince's invitation. After finding about this, Cinderella cried because once again her two stepsisters were making bad behavior towards Cinderella. Until finally Cinderella only wore the clothes she had, then she went to the place with her stepmother to approach the prince. Everyone in the place was surprised to see Cinderella's beautiful, and the prince could not wait to discuss serious matters with Cinderella. After finishing eating together, the prince said that he would marry Cinderella because he was married and the prince had loved Cinderella for a long time. After the party, the prince finally married Cinderella. Cinderella lives in the place without any bad interference from her two stepsisters. Until finally, Cinderella lives happily with the handsome prince. Thank you.